I am absolutely thrilled to talk about the amazing reverse engineering services offered by Scon Design India Private Ltd in Mehrauli, Delhi NCR. When it comes to reverse engineering, there is no better company to trust than Scon Design India Private Limited. With their expertise and innovative solutions, they have set a benchmark in the industry and have become the go-to choice for businesses in the region. Scon Design India Private Ltd is a pioneer in providing top-notch reverse engineering services in Mehrauli, Delhi NCR. Their team of highly skilled engineers and designers work tirelessly to understand the needs of their clients and provide customized solutions that exceed expectations. Whether it's creating CAD models from physical parts or analyzing and improving existing designs, Scon Design India Private Ltd has the expertise to handle it all. What sets Scon Design India Private Ltd apart from other companies is their commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. They utilize state-of-the-art technology and cutting-edge software to ensure accurate and precise results every time. Their attention to detail and meticulous approach make them the best choice for reverse engineering services in Mehrauli, Delhi NCR. The team at Scon Design India Private Ltd understands the importance of time and cost efficiency for businesses. That's why they strive to deliver projects within the specified deadlines without compromising on quality. Their streamlined processes and efficient workflow make them a reliable partner for all your reverse engineering needs. Scon Design India Private Ltd has built a strong reputation in the industry for their professionalism, reliability, and outstanding service. They have successfully completed numerous projects for clients across various industries, including automotive, aerospace, and consumer goods. I am absolutely thrilled to talk about the amazing reverse engineering services offered by Scon Design India Private Ltd in Mehrauli, Delhi NCR. Scon Design India Private Ltd is a renowned company that specializes in providing top-notch engineering solutions, and their reverse engineering services are no exception. With their expertise and state-of-the-art technology, they are able to reverse engineer a wide range of products and components, helping businesses save time and money in their design processes. When it comes to reverse engineering services, Scon Design India Private Ltd is truly a leader in the industry. Their team of highly skilled engineers and designers are equipped with the latest tools and software to accurately capture every detail of a product or component. Whether it's a complex mechanical part or an intricate electronic device, Scon Design India Private Ltd can reverse engineer it with precision and accuracy. What sets Scon Design India Private Ltd apart from other companies is their commitment to delivering exceptional results. They understand the importance of quality and reliability in reverse engineering, and they go above and beyond to ensure that their clients receive nothing but the best.